Hi, today we're going to talk about the problem-solving strategy of working backwards. This is a lot easier than the last chapter doing the guess and check. So let's take a look. The example that I gave you, you're planning to go to a baseball game that starts at 1 o'clock p.m. You want to arrive a half hour early. You walk to the train station, it's about 10 minutes long. The train ride to the city takes 3/4 of an hour. After you arrive in the city, you will need to walk for about 10 more minutes to the stadium. What time should you plan on leaving? Okay, so let's see. Think about the information that you're given. First thing, what do you want to find? Well, that's what time you should plan on leaving your home to arrive on time. Number two, what is your arrival time? Now remember, the game starts at 1 o'clock. However, you want to be there at 12:30. You want to arrive a half hour before the start of the game. Number three, how much time will it take you to walk to the train station? Well, that was 10 minutes. Number four, how much time will you spend on the train? That was 3/4 of an hour. And what I did was I transferred that into 45 minutes. And number five, how much time will you spend walking from the train? Again, another 10 minutes. Now, you could draw a clock to help you if you need to and physically move the hands going backwards. Or mathematically, the series of events must end at 1. Find the total time needed for the trip. So what I've done is I've said, okay, 10 minutes to walk, 45 minutes on the train. Remember, that was at 3/4 of an hour. Another 10 minutes to walk to the stadium. And I added in there the 30 minutes for the arrival time. You want to be there 30 minutes before. So you want to be there at 12:30, not 1 o'clock. So that's a total of 95 minutes. And I changed that into 1 hour, 35 minutes. I subtracted 60, which is an hour, and that left me with a remainder of 35 minutes. So remember, the game begins at 1. So I took off this 1 hour, which brings me down to 12 o'clock. So I took the 1 hour back, and now I'm at 12. So now I want to take off the 35 minutes. So if I borrow the 1 hour, that's going to make it the 11 o'clock, and I'm adding on 60 minutes. I'm just changing it from 1 hour to 60 minutes. Now I can do 60 minutes minus 35 is 25 minutes and bring down the 11. I should leave at 11:25 a.m. to be there on time. All right. Okay, let's try one. Your flight leaves the airport at 10 a.m. You must arrive an hour early to check your baggage. The drive to the airport takes about 90 minutes. What time should you plan to leave home? Okay, now 10 o'clock is your flight. Now remember, you have to arrive an hour early. So I'm going to take the 1 hour off, and that's going to bring it to 9 o'clock. This is a.m. Okay, so now you have to really be there at 9, not at 10. Now it takes you about 90 minutes. Now remember, 90 minutes is 1 hour and 30 minutes. So I need to go backwards again, 1 hour and 30 minutes. So borrow here. So from 9, it's now 8. And over here, I'm going to make this 60. 60 minus 30 is 30, and 8 minus 1 is 7. I should leave at 7:30 a.m. Okay, that's it. Good luck.